let's create a table in MySQL. Okay, password is root. Okay, if you want to show, if you want to see the databases, how many databases are there, you can write show data bases and it will give you the list of databases. If you want to work with any database, you can write use command. Okay, or if you want to create your own database, you can write create temp database, create database temp. These two keywords will create a database. Create database followed by the name of the database, and the database has been created. If you want to see now list of databases, you write databases, show databases, and now you can see there is temp database. Okay, if you want to select the database, so write use command and the name of the database, semicolon, and now you have selected the temp database. If you want to see how many tables are there in temp database, of course show tables, and you can see empty set. Okay, now we can create a table with the help of create table keywords. Create in one keyword, table is a second keyword, so we use two keywords followed by the name. Let's suppose temp table name is staff, and then you will give small bracket. Now write the name of first field. It is a serial number, and you must specify at least two things: name of the field and data type, and its data type, what value it stores. So it should be number with length 14. Okay, you can also add other constraints, because I am going to select the serial number as a primary key, so I will write primary key should not be null, so I will write not null, it must be filled. And if I want to allow system to automatically add the value to serial number, so I will write auto increment. Make sure you have written correct spelling. Okay, then after you will write comma, and next will be now add the value, add the name of second field, name, and text, what type of data it can store, text, then comma. Now you can write third field, which can designation type text, then comma. Now add the fourth field, salary can be integer. Okay, and the length here can be 15 to 20. Okay, and then comma. Now after the fields, you can select primary key. So in your opinion, which one is a primary key? Of course it's a serial number, because serial number cannot be duplicated. So primary key is a small bracket, and you will write serial number, small bracket over. Now you can see there is a small bracket opening, so we will close it in last and give it semicolon. These lines are collectively called a statement. This statement name is known as create statement. Therefore create statement is used to create a table. Okay, if I press enter, you can see query. Okay, 0 rows are affected, so the table has been created. If you want to see it, you write table show table semicolon. In temp database there is a staff table. Okay, if you want to verify the table, that how many columns are there, with what are the names of the columns, what type of data each column, each field can store. So you can write DESC and followed by the table name. It will show you the list of columns with other constraints and details. This shows you that table is verified and everything is okay after manually checked. Or you can write describe stuff. Describe stuff or DSC, both are same. Okay, so now you can see there are 4 fields. First field can store integer type, and the next field is a name which can store only text. Third field is designation, it can only store text, it means string. Salary can store numbers, length 20. Okay, which one cannot be null? Serial number cannot be null. Any field is a key, any field is a primary key or composite key. Yes, serial number is a primary key. Default values are null. These are the extra constraints. Auto increment is a constraints to serial number. Therefore this is filled by the system. If you have any question, you can text, you can send me by email. Thank you.